Friends, let's learn something important today. Something regarding what most of us face on a daily basis. The problem is, we really don't have a problem. We create them. I repeat, the problem is, in all our life, we really do not have a problem. We create them. Hear that again. We create our own problems. I can understand natural calamities, a sudden loss of a near and dear, market fluctuations. I can understand that. But predominant problems, the day-to-day issues we face in our life, let's get it right. We create them. And the way we handle our mind and intellect in a graceful manner, we can literally dissolve these problems. Friends, nobody can make you angry. Nobody can make you happy. You are responsible for your happiness and unhappiness. There's a great statement. It is difficult to find happiness within oneself, but impossible to find it anywhere else. Therefore, friends, the real issue, the real problem in our life is that we really do not have a problem. We create them. We are the source of our problems. In fact, we are the problem. And if this individual is taken care well, if their quality of emotions, their clarity in thinking, their dexterity in action is improved upon, I'm telling you, you will have challenges in life, which you will face them gracefully. You will deal with them in a matured way, but you will not have problems. And you'll be able to deal with them well, and you will rise above them. There is no challenges as such which cannot be resolved. Every challenge can be taken up and dealt in a proper way. You can deal with acceptance, you can deal with clarity, you can deal with a very powerful emotion. So various ways you can handle your challenges and rise above them. So my suggestion to you is, don't create problems for yourself. Deal with them. Do not multiply a certain situation by your own negative thinking, by your own impulsive choices. Deal with your life gracefully, joyfully. Think about it. The Mind and Intellect platform is designed for unlearning and relearning. And if you like these videos, please do share with your friends and let more people get benefited from these knowledges. Think about it. Thank you all.